We're gonna do an unboxing of this new flash I picked up for the Z9. Hopefully, we'll see. Whatever. It's been a long time since I bought an on-camera flash, like SP28s, SP800s. This is this thing called Godox V860III kit. So, not sure what you get here. So stay tuned as I figure this out. That's for the gels. That's for the little softbox thing. That you probably never look at. This is I don't know what this is. What is that? A battery charger, maybe? This, of course, is a battery. I assume it doesn't work without the battery. So, let's open this up and see what we got in here. That's the battery. This is another one of these little bricks we're going to lose. This is supposedly a 10-watt brick. These, you know we're going to lose this USB-C cable. That's got no chance of ever being paired up with this again. They really should put some details on these things and put like who made them and what it's for, so you know in the future where they go. Alright, but that's all irrelevant. Let's see if we can find a flash. Let's see what happens. Wait a minute. What keeps the battery? What keeps the battery inside there? What is this? You gotta be kidding me. You just slide the battery in like that? Look at that. How do you get it out? Check that out. You just slide the battery. Look at that. Here's a big hole. You just slide the battery in there. Well, that's certainly interesting. Turn it on. Half charged. I think we can just pop this on the Z9 and do some photos. Yeah, maybe not with the 400-2.8 on there, but we'll take the 400-2.8 off of the Z9 and we're going to do some test photos. So, stay tuned for that. Hold on. So there you go. Alright, let's pop this on the Z9 and see what happens. Popped it right on there. It's in an i-TTL mode. I had to use minus like 1, minus 0.7 on the actual camera because I think it was put a little bit too much strobe. But the results are promising. A lot more to come with this. I'm going to use it for a job this weekend. So, see how that pans out. Thanks for commenting and let me know what you think.